It lingered on the surface, already calculating the precise trajectory for a terminal strike. For the mother, this small bundle of down represents her entire lineage. The ice floe drifts alone, distant from the colony, nothing else to swim to. If she leaves, both will be lost to the merciless sea. She edges toward the far side of the ice. In a desperate, instinctive act of defiance, the mother plunges into the abyss after the thief. But the sea is vast, the seal is swift, and the depths do not give back what they have taken. She hauls herself back onto the empty ice, a solitary figure against the encroaching fog. The hunt is over. She has survived the predator, but the cost is the very reason for her survival. Hours drag by, and now a new threat emerges. Not one, but three, circling beneath the icy water. A quiet circle of bodies gathers around her. A sudden lunge. She plunges into the crystalline blue, a desperate, fluttering flight through the freezing depths. Darted and wheeled to draw the seals away, but there was nowhere left to flee. In this unforgiving wilderness, to be separated from the huddle is to be marked for the end. Exhausted, the mother returns to the same ice floe, believing the surface offers sanctuary. The predators followed her again, but this time with another strategy. A coordinated circle, rising and snapping at the floe from 3 points of the compass. Jaws clap in her face from every angle. A rhythmic and terrifying chorus of teeth. She slips between their snapping jaws, but every direction leads to another deadly bite waiting in the water. She is trapped under three great weights. Each one tests her strength, seeking a fatal opening. Jaws lock onto her back, and she is shaken with a primeval, terrifying violence that echoes across the empty ice. The other two emerge to join the grim work. A frantic tug of war where nature's indifference is written on this ice floe. The mother penguin had already passed. Yet the three seals went on, shaking her lifeless body with relentless violence. The alliance is shattered. Three seals, moments ago a hunting party, are now locked in a savage dispute over the prize. They hunted together and killed together, yet when it came time to feed, none would yield. One of them retreats, watching its fellows clash over the prize. In this frozen wasteland, to lose the meal is to face the slow crawl of starvation. The battle shifts to a brutal trial of sheer physical strength. The fight between two of the seals was long and brutal. Their bodies crashing together on the ice as neither would yield the prize. They tore and grappled in blind fury, exhausting themselves with every violent surge. All the while, the third seal remained apart, watching silently. It waited, patient and calculating for the briefest lapse. the moment neither was watching. Then, in a flash, it seized the dead penguin and plunged into the deep water, vanishing with the kill.